we got King Von's friend, O Block Doke Deck. He opens up, basically getting in rap game, breaking out the shell. Remember, he does 3 months. He does says he's been out 3 months, you dig? So breaking out that rap game, 10K on the YouTube channel, in less than 5 days ain't bad, you dig? He opens up. Y'all gotta watch from the beginning to the end. He definitely breaks out that shell, opens up, you dig? Dropping real soon. 12 a.m. definitely a smash. So when you look at Duke, you definitely look at King Von, because look, King Von was getting out. T-Roy lost T-Roy, you dig? Duke got out, lost King Von. Definitely a takeoff, you dig? 3 months. Better get in slow mo, you dig?
Oh, the heck, I'm back in that mode. Yeah, we shoot. Every shoot. That block. That block.
Yeah. That's not your skill. Man, you crazy as hell. How the fuck that ain't my skill?
Bro, you laughing at that skill that ain't that's my skill.
Never. How many skills I gave you you ain't never brought back?
You never brought my skill back. You gave murder this one. And that was my skill murder was using. That's the 3D skill.
Yo, what you on, killer? Hey, you see me in the trenches, Janelle. Stop it, man.
Call Big Smooth if y'all want to hear when the Duke dropping, man. I'm his manager, man.
Hit up Big Smooth 6217.
Hit up Big Smooth if y'all trying to know when my shorty dropping. I take care of all that. You dig me?
He take care of the features, all
that shit, booking,
all
that shit, man. Nobody else but me. If it's somebody else, that shit fake.
No kisser.
No kisser.
Where you going?
I'm gone.
Alright, I'll meet you down there. You going what? Y'all thirsty as hell.
Get this key, man, because on the lady gonna
go.
She's straight. You lucky I ain't no
what y'all on? Hey, you see Smooth? He talking about hit up Smooth for all the shit, you know, all the features, all the booking. Hit up Big Smooth, man. Janelle, where you at?
Hey, bro.
Locked it over, Nolly? I got you. You finna hop in with Smooth?
Yeah.
I'll meet y'all down there. I'll meet y'all down there. Alright. I got you. What you on, little folks? What y'all on? Front running there, Smooth. Yeah, Smooth crazy as hell, man. That's my boy, though. What you on, Ray Rilla? Next song. I'm being Cali in a minute. Give me a second, man. Yo, what y'all on? Follow me back. I'm one of the girls you wish you had. Hell nah. Somebody said you look good and dusty. Damn. Crack, what you on? You ain't even hit the line, man. Ain't even hit me for no. You could have stayed at my house in LA. You tripping? I don't even know where you live at. You talking about stay? They just let the BDs in the door. Dropping wires in the rakes. Drop when the next song dropping. He will be in the hood, but that's okay. No, I ain't gonna be in the hood. I'll be in the hood though. I ain't gonna be in the hood forever. Drop the Addy then. Drop the Addy. I'm pulling up. Nah, the new heat on the way, man. That shit finna come real soon. Give me like a week or two. Hope I was been hit you, man. Fuck it. Nah, hell no, I got the same number there, bro. You ain't been hitting my line, man. Knock it off FaceTime. You ain't even call the phone back. Yeah. Nah, my shit. I just took these motherfucking braids down. That's why my shit getting that. My shit getting that nappy a little bit. What's that? Call his number 773. Tell him we need. Oh yeah, we need 500K on the 12 a.m. Then I'ma drop the next video. That bitch gotta hit 500K first, but it's doing good right now. That bitch gotta keep going up. Once it hit 500K, I'm busting that bitch, busting out. You know they took me back. Oh yeah, I already. Damn, hell no, I ain't know that.
What's the number, dude?
773. Damn, no, I ain't know that, never. 341 8064.
8064?
Yeah. Ah, they fucking around, man. What they on with you? Come on, I'm finna ask somebody on the live. Who wanna get added on the live? I'm finna ask somebody. Let's go. Who wanna get added on the live, man? I'ma add y'all. You gotta send a request. I'ma add you. I bet. Alright. I'ma add. I don't even know how to do this shit, man. I don't even know how to do it. You gotta send a request and I'ma add you on the motherfucker. You know I just get out. I don't really know how to work this shit like that. Damn. Are you not, man? Cause he calling my phone right now. Yo, fuck your phone off or something?
Yeah, I just called him.
I'm ready. Hey, Sean, what you want, killer? Damn, motherfucker gotta come slide on you one day, man. I ain't seen my boy in a minute, man. I gotta come pull up on you or something, man.
1312.
773, bro.
Oh, yeah. 773.
341 8064. I've been out like 90 days now. 90 days, man. 90 days, got forever to go. Wayne does welcome to O Block. What's up, broski? Where you at? I'm finna walk in a second. Yeah, I'm in the first part right now. Alright. Man, they talking about leak number. Hey, don't be calling that motherfucking number, man.
Okay.
Click the box with the plus at the bottom. Let me see. I don't see nobody though, man. I'm trying to add a motherfucker. Anyone who can see this person live video will be able to watch this video too. Man, look, man. View request. Oh, here you go. Hold on. I think I got it. No, not that person. You ain't got no profile picture, so I can't go live with you, man. I bet. Y'all don't want to get. Alright, fuck it then. I ain't gonna add nobody to it. Motherfucker said they don't want to do it. Hey, this hat fat as hell. Motherfucker just told me this hat fat, so let me know. Let me know if this hat fat, man. Motherfucker to my man, you got a fat ass hat. Where you at, freak? Man, throw me on this. They said they ain't trying to kick it right now, folks. You know we GDK. He talking about head beefy as fuck. Your forehead look like a knot-headed fish. No. Ah! Damn. They trying to get down. Hey, get the fuck out my dick, man. I'm BD. Cause you on this bitch tweaking. You on this bitch tweaking on BD. Hey, man, you ain't be outside no more, man. I don't remember last time I seen you. But we could do it though. You gotta pull up. Baylo, what you want, killer? Damn, my forehead big? On what, my forehead big? My shit ain't big. My shit probably is big, though. It ain't shit. Latoya, that hat gotta be my size. That's last size. Yeah, it's dry, Lil Mike. Biddy, pull up. Oh, you in the crib with Sunshine? Put your hand in the ponytail. Nah, I ain't doing all that. I ain't even got no rubber band for that. Your hair ain't gotta be done for you to come outside, man. You see me, I come out any type of way. You know? Tuesday, damn, it's only Saturday. Glad you out to run it up, go crazy, though. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I've been reading my dua. You ain't even been texting me or trying to, you know, keep me posted. But yeah, I've been reading my dua. Yeah. What you been on? This ain't no fucking 8, man. This a fucking 7, bro. 7 and 3/8, man. The fuck, nigga? Hating ass, nigga. Hey, y'all on this bitch hating. I'm finna just get up off here, man. I ain't trying to hit no hating ass shit on my shit, man. Salam alaikum. They hating. Big money, what you on, killer? You ain't on shit, man. Oh yeah, I gotta go get my P.O. box, man. It's gonna be yeah, Shukran. I gotta go get my P.O. box, man. I gotta go get it real soon. I should have by like this week. No later than this week. So if you got some shit you wanna send me, I'ma post it on my shit so you could just send that shit through. Yeah, me and E got some shit. We gonna do it. I'm finna slide. Man, Wani, knock it out, man. You ain't finna slide to the trenches, bro.